This tool is replacing jobs, and almost nobody is ready. In 2026, AI is doing work that used to take hours and seconds. It writes emails, designs graphics, builds websites, edits videos, and handles customer support. Tasks that took hours are done in seconds already. But here's the twist. AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing people who don't use it, and it's happening fast. One person with the right AI tool can now do the work of 5 people, sometimes more, effortlessly right now. That's why companies are shifting fast. Less hiring, more automation, budgets going to scalable tools that multiply output dramatically now. Writers, designers, marketers, ignore this and you fall behind. Learn it and you become exponentially more valuable across industries today. AI already writes polished proposals while you sleep, generates landing pages in minutes, and turns rough footage into finished videos. Customer support bots resolve routine issues instantly. Designers use AI to mock up dozens of options in moments. Marketers test campaigns at scale. Companies are cutting time and headcount by automating repeatable tasks, reallocating resources to strategy and growth instead. One skilled operator plus AI equals the productivity of an entire team. That math changes hiring, pay, and career value fast. We're not talking sci-fi hypotheticals. This is being deployed across marketing agencies, small businesses, and Fortune 500s right now. The fastest companies win. They adopt AI, iterate faster, and leave slow adopters shrinking in relative value. Roles built on repeatable tasks are most vulnerable. Routine writing, basic design, simple data entry, and scripted support. But the winners are those who learn to direct the machines, prompt, refine, and combine outputs into higher-level work. Creative judgments, strategic thinking, and human context still matter. AI amplifies those skills when you know how to use it. Ignore AI and your role becomes commoditized. Embrace AI and you become a multiplier of value for any employer or client. The gap between those who use AI and those who don't is widening every single day. That gap is career risk and career opportunity. This is not just tech talk. It's livelihood, salary, and future employability shifting in real time. Don't compete with AI. Learn to direct it, prompt it clearly, refine its output, and integrate it into your workflow. Master prompt structure, then teach the AI your voice and process. The tool will echo your best moves, faster and scale. Combine AI outputs into higher-level work. Edit, curate, add judgment. Your role becomes creative director, not assembly line worker. Automate routine tasks, but keep the decision points human. Use AI to buy time for strategy, relationships, and unique insights. Practice daily. Build templates, test prompts, and iterate. Small compound improvements make you dramatically faster over months. Get comfortable with imperfect outputs. Refine them. That's where human skill multiplies machine speed into real value. This isn't the future. It's already happening. Waiting will only widen the gap between you and the market leaders. The smartest move is simple. Learn how to use AI to multiply your output. Become the person who directs, not the person replaced. Start small. Automate one repetitive task this week. Build one prompt template. Ship one AI-assisted project and measure the time saved. Then scale. Codify workflows, train models to your needs, and teach teams how to work with AI as a partner. If you learn it, you become unstoppable. One person with AI can outperform teams, win clients, and command higher pay. Take action now. Learn how to direct, prompt, and refine AI to multiply your output. Start today and change your career trajectory.